Bird dog. Start from your hands and knees with knees directly below your hips and hands directly below your shoulders. Lengthen your spine and engage a tall and strong posture with chest out and chin tucked. Extend one leg and the opposite arm with thumb up. Do not worry about how high your arm and leg raise. Rather, think about lengthening your heel and hand away from each other while maintaining a tall and strong posture. Stay engaged through the bottom shoulder. Pause on the top and slowly lower your hand and knee towards each other. Touch and then repeat. Continue to breathe with a deep and relaxed diaphragmatic breathing pattern.